Alright, well, welcome to Pennsylvania once again. Kind of finishing up a bit of a day trip here down in Lancaster County. On an extremely hot day. Well, not extremely hot, but pretty hot day. So, we're down at Peavine Island area down by Susquehanna River. Not my favorite place, but it was kind of cool as well. Some rocks and stuff. But anyway, we're back at a place I was at on Monday with some friends. You might have seen that video already. House Rock Nature Preserve, my second nature preserve for today. But when I was here that first time, at the beginning of the video, I walked around just a little bit by myself. Oh, there's a zebra swallowtail. Yeah, there's a ton of like flowers and insects here. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a nature-y video here. We'll see. I think I'll send a drone up a little bit maybe at some point. Fly over these fields. Let me turn around a moment to see what I'm looking at here. Yeah, it's just filled with flowers. All those purple flowers, that's bee balm. The bees and butterflies love it. Yeah, there are some zebra swallowtails over there. When I was here Monday, it was the first time I've seen a zebra swallowtail in Pennsylvania. I've seen them in Maryland before. I think last year when I was down at Elk Neck State Park. Oh, there's a monarch. So, yeah, that's just some of the flowers. There's some over here as well. So yeah, wow, where to start? So I might do some talk in this video. I might try something a little bit new instead. Just do some nature footage and set it to some nice music. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Sometimes I plan to do things and then it just doesn't happen anyway, so we'll see. Anyway, let's get to looking. Oh, and when I was here, I got 14 ticks last time I was here, but we walked actually through these fields. They found 10 on me back in the parking lot, and then there's 4 more on me on the way home. They're like crawling up my neck and stuff. But anyway, I flicked those out the window. But anyway, so we will keep an eye out for those as well. Might throw a little bit of bug spray on down by my legs a little bit. All right. Yeah, they got some black-eyed Susans in here. I think I showed the coneflowers last time as well, but I want to look through this milkweed too. This is mid-July. I think I mentioned that other video that it might be time for the Monarch Caterpillars. I did just see a few of the adults butterflies. This is milkweed. This is what the Monarch Caterpillars feed off of. That's what makes them poisonous, even as adults. So we'll look around a little bit. All right, well, I think that'll be it. I'm melting out here, but hopefully the footage turned out well. Not sure, like I said, what I'll do with this yet. Like I said, I might try a little new format. But anyway, thanks for coming along, and I'm gonna head home, get in the Jeep, get the air conditioner on, and cool off a little bit. All right, thanks for coming along.